Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this simple but flavour-packed lentil bolognese. I'll make a start by chopping up some onions. One large would be enough, but because mine are quite small, I'll use two. After I've chopped my onions, I warm up about 3 tablespoons of oil. And then under a low to medium heat, I slowly cook my onions until they're soft and translucent. I'll add 2 bay leaves to the pan. And in goes 4 large cloves of chopped garlic. I cook those under a low heat for a few minutes to release all the flavours. And I'll stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste that I'll allow to cook for a couple of minutes. Now I'll turn up the heat and add 2 fluid ounces of wine. Once the wine is reduced, I'll add half a pint of blended tomatoes. I'm going to be using 400 grams of pre-cooked green lentils that I've rinsed and drained. And I'll crumble up 1 veggie stock cube, give that a good stir before adding 100 millilitres of boiling water. And now I stir in 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. I keep giving my sauce a good stir and keep the heat up high just to reduce my sauce a little bit more. And to give mine a little kick, I'm going to go in with some cayenne pepper. And I'll sprinkle in some mixed herbs. And a teaspoon of oregano. And a generous amount of ground black pepper. I'll give that all a good stir and allow to infuse for a couple of minutes. Once the sauce is reduced to my liking, it's time to take it off the heat. And I won't forget to take out the 2 bay leaves. Serve with some spaghetti, and it also goes well with a few cheeky slices of garlic bread. Hope you get to try this flavour-packed green lentil bolognese soon. Please don't forget to like, share, drop me a comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.